Hello, welcome to video 2. Apologies for the break there. So let's carry on with P8.2. We are looking at direct voltage. Direct voltage produces an electric current that always flows in one direction. It is produced in cells and batteries and cannot be transferred efficiently over long distances. The bottom right of this page, you will see what is called an oscilloscope trace. So I'm just going to write that for you. So, come on. Oscilloscope. Now this is a device that we use to look at different waves. Sometimes we use it to look at sounds. Today we're using it to look at electricity. You can see DC, which is direct current, which is produced by direct voltage, is basically a flat line. If this was a graph, imagine it like a graph, you've got voltage on your y-axis and time on your x-axis. You can see that direct current does not change. It is always positive. Alternating voltage, on the other hand, produces an electric current that is constantly changing direction. It is used in mains electricity. It can, in contrast, travel efficiently over long distances. Again, here, if you look at the oscilloscope trace, you can see that the voltage and current oscillates from positive to negative. So basically, your little electrons are being pulled one way and then they are being pulled another way. And if it's positive, it'll be going in one direction. If it's negative, it'll be going in the other direction. Now, you need to know frequency, very quickly, is number of complete cycles a second. Remember that from P5 with our waves, and it is measured in hertz. Quick reminder that F is 1 over T, where T is a time for one complete wave. This is what I was going to say. You need to know the two numbers connected to UK mains electricity. The frequency is 50 hertz, so it alternates backwards and forwards 50 times per second. And the voltage is 230 volts. Remember which, that should be a capital H, sorry. Remember which way round they are, because I have seen a multiple choice question where they said 50 volts and 230 hertz. And if you just remember the numbers but not which way round they were, you probably go for that answer. They are sneaky sometimes. So now let's look what's inside an electrical cable. You have 3 wires, each one insulated with plastic. Each plastic is then doubly wrapped in plastic. So you've got the plastic which gives you the colour of the wire, and then extra plastic to make it into a cable. Now you need to know what the 3 wires are, what they do, and how they are arranged. So the live wire is a brown wire. It carries a current that alternates between negative and positive voltage. So this will come in at 230 volts. It carries that current in. I'm going to go down to the blue one now. The neutral wire completes the voltage. It is kept at 0 volts by the electricity company. So current comes in through this one and is carried away through the neutral wire because it completes that circuit. The green and yellow, please notice that there is a green and yellow stripe there. I know it looks a little green. It's called the earth wire, and it's a safety wire. If the live wire comes loose and touches the metal casing, you can receive an electric shock. By connecting the earth wire to the metal casing, if that live wire has touched it, the current will go through the earth wire and not through the person who touches the casing. So it's there to protect you. You don't always need an earth wire. If you have a plastic appliance, we refer to it as being double insulated. And so you don't need the earth wire because the current will never get to the person. If they touch the outer casing, that is plastic, and it will not let the current flow through. So then you don't need that earth wire. Just a quick reminder of how a plug is wired in. I absolutely loved the rhyme Miss Sparrowhawk told me earlier in the year. And I was very excited. I think I told some of you and you were definitely not excited, but I'm going to tell you again. If you need to remember which goes which direction, on the left-hand side, it is the blue wire because it is bottom left. On the right-hand side, it is the brown wire because it is bottom right. Oh, blue and brown. I know, you're probably still not excited by that, but I really, really am. All right, lovely. That was P8.2. Thank you very much.